What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, SimplyPops back at it again with another unboxing video. It's been a minute, but I'm back again with a new unboxing knife. Sling. Okay. Oh, and there she goes. It looked like a Mac Mini. Why would I buy a Mac Mini? This is the new Mac Mini. It came out with the iPad Pro. And yeah, as you guys can see, Apple has finally refreshed this Mac Mini. This is the Mac Mini 2018. And I gotta say, Apple has finally refreshed the Mac Mini. And I invested in it just to unbox it with you guys and stuff like that. I couldn't get it day one because the iPad Pro came out literally the same time. And fun little fact, this is the same exact price as the iPad Pro. I actually made a video talking about that. Slide it out like a candy bar. Except this is not candy. Okay. Ooh. Looks just like the box. Apple's new Mac Mini. Fun little fact, this is my first ever Mac Mini. It's in glorious space gray. Matches my Apple Watch. Now before we unwrap this, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, you got your books. Let me see if you get some Apple stickers. Oh yeah, of course you do. Also, you have the power cable. Nothing else. That's it. Just the power cable and the Mac Mini itself. That new Mac smell. So you guys can see Mac Mini. Yeah, headphone jack. Alright, and that's pretty much it with the unboxing. So let's hook this bad boy up. I'm gonna actually hook it up to my TV. And yeah, we're gonna hook it up. Very simple. All you gotta do, I'm gonna use a HDMI. Some monitors take Type C. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. There's no VGA cables. That's a thing of the past. HDMI is the new VGA, if you really think about it. You have a USB 3.0, Type C, or Thunderbolt I should say. And then you have your Ethernet. A nice lengthy size vent. Nothing on the front. Back in the days we had a DVD drive, but that's the thing of the past. And you have your beautiful Apple logo. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the Airport Extreme. This is the router, and it looks just like, literally just like the Mac Mini. Now the Mac Mini is bigger. It is actually bigger. I'm gonna put it like right here. So ladies and gentlemen, I successfully hooked up my Mac Mini to my television. I have Final Cut Pro running right now, editing this same exact video as you guys are seeing right now. I'll be here literally forever explaining every little thing about Mac OS. If you use a Mac before, it's exactly the same. You have your dock, you have your status bar on the top, you have everything here. You know, you close it out with the red button, etc. But yeah, I'm editing a video right now. I even added some LUTs, and performance wise it's not too bad, but I only have Final Cut Pro open and App Store open. But once I have Photoshop and I have a bunch of windows and applications open, then I think this thing is going to start to lag and start to stutter. Who is the Mac Mini really for? So I spend pretty much all night with this, you know, browsing the web, watching YouTube videos, basic use, nothing too crazy. I did edit this video on this Mac Mini, and you know, performs well. A couple of hiccups here and there with the 8 gigabytes of RAM. It does have a quad core processor. It has an i3. 8 gigabytes of RAM, like I mentioned earlier, DDR4, and let's not forget the Intel graphics is 630, so 630, and it has 128 gigabytes of flash storage. And all of that for $799, the same exact price as the iPad Pro 11-inch. And I would say the main reason why the Mac Mini exists in 2019 is because this is the most affordable Mac that you can get. If you have a Windows machine and it's time to upgrade, this is your best option because it'll save money. Granted, you will need accessories and stuff like that, but you can use what you have, like a mouse and a keyboard, a display. But for the most part, if you have everything already, this is your best bet. And I would say this is literally the best bang for your buck if you want to get into the Apple ecosystem. If you want to start to learn Mac OS a little bit, that's going to be perfect for you. But for me personally, I would say no. No, I need something way more powerful than this. This is just not powerful enough for me. Because normally for me, I run Photoshop, Final Cut. I might have a couple of tabs open on Chrome, and I'm really a hardcore user when it comes down to stuff. So the RAM, the 8 gigabytes of RAM is definitely not enough, but you can upgrade the RAM. I might throw some videos or some guides down below to maybe something like 16 gigabytes. For me, that's going to be the sweet spot. But for the most part, for me, it's just not that powerful enough. But it is powerful for most people, but for me, no, it's not. And especially, this is a 4K footage, too, that you guys are watching right now. I'm putting LUTs, I'm putting effects, and yeah, it's just not enough for me. And I would say I'm happy with my MacBook Pro. I have the 2015. I'm actually going to do a comparison video on that, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see that. I'm curious to know because that's the high end. That's the top of the line 2015 MacBook Pro Retina display. And this is the base 2018 because this was announced and released in 2018 November. So guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys thumbs up the video. It helped me out tremendously. And comment down below what you guys think about the Mac Mini in 2019. Do you own one? You're interested in one? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already with notifications on. And may as well follow me on Twitter so you guys can see. You can stalk my Instagram, my Twitter, all that good stuff too. Alright guys, until next time, have a simple day. Peace.